call us/WhatsApp. +27 73 1582 436. Courses of Bulldozer 777 Dump Truck Grader TLB Operators Training School in Wakkerstroom, FORKLIFT, Secunda, Mpumalanga +277 31 582 436. Mulani Operators Training School in South Africa, Mulani Skills Development Center in South Africa +277 31 58 24 36. We are fully registered. We train the following: construction and lifting machinery / boiler making ampersand welding training. The center can provide safety courses for self-sponsored and corporate clients for the following: lifting construction machines 7 to 10 days +277 31 582 436. For booking ampersand registration email mulani@yahoo.com. Counterbalance forklift 5 days, reach truck / container holder 5 days, excavator drill rigging dump truck, LHD scoop mobile cranes, overhead cranes, front end loader, tractor loader, backhoe, grader, bulldozer, tower cranes. Welding courses 3-4 weeks +27 73 1582 436. For booking: arc welding, ARGONY welding, FLUX-CORE welding, double coreded welding, gas welding, gas cutting, boiler making 3 weeks, pipe fitting, panel beating 3 months. We off-job assist after training. We have office in Germiston, South Africa. We offers free accommodation to all students from Secunda, Rustenburg, Mokopane, Kimberley, Durban, Port Elizabeth, Kuruman. Welcome Johannesburg. TC free accommodation. We are committed to upholding the National Code of Practice for the evaluation of training providers for lifting machine operators under the Driven Machinery Regulations in the Occupational Health and Safety Act 85 1993, as well as the good principles underpinning the National Qualification Framework. We further commit to the prescribed values of the South African Qualifications Authority under SETU and TETA. Contact us on +277 31 582 436 for booking ampersand registration. +277 315 882 436. Mulani Operators Training School in South Africa.